Iman.
Hi.
Yeah.
I am playing. I'm gonna will fish.
You get some fish today? Okay? Oh, dito kami. Pipishing kami, may kasama kami. Maglalaro lang kami ni Iman. Yun. Ay, mga kabayan natin, no? Okay. Hintayin mo if your rod is moving, have to fall, okay? Ha? Hold on, dito ta. Dito. Hold on. Hold on, Iman, hold on. Oh, wait.
Iman, don't go. Oops. Iman.
Hold on, not yet. Oh, di ka rito. You pull. Oh, Iman got first fish.
Daddy!
Look at that.
Mommy! I got a first fish! I got my first fish! Mommy!
I know.
I got my first
Oh,
fish!
hold mo rin sa
You
takwa.
wanna hold it?
Dito ka lang. Mali ka na. Pa-picture tayo, mami. Come on.
I got a fish! Yeah, and it was, and I did.
How is it? Ha? Yan. Fishing kami ni Super Iman. Ito yung aking puti. Sa kanya yung blue. Favorite color is blue. Maganda rito ang fishing. Oh. Come on. Okay, pull.
Yeah, up here.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Move yours. Go get yours. Come on. Pull.
Here?
Yeah. I think I got one too. You got one? Huh? I got one too, Iman. Yeah? Got yours? Huh?
I need a...
Oh yeah. You pull.
Here!
Yeah? You got one? We got one for you and one for me. Speed up. He's coming. Wow.
He's coming.
Oh yeah. He's coming.
He's coming.
Pull.
He's coming.
Wow, it's fighting, Iman.
He's coming. He's coming.
Oh.
He's coming.
Pull.
He's coming.
Double. Iman.
Mine is stuck.
You got fish.
My fish is stuck.
Yeah.
My fish is stuck.
Your fish
It's
stuck?
right there.
Oh. Oh, this is Iman. You can roll your fish. Wow, nice one to for Iman. Huh?
I got it.
Dito ka. Okay. Here. Come here.
Is this fish bigger than the other?
You can smoke this one right away.
Oh.
This one too. This one is big.
Oops.
Wow.
Iman, careful, baby.
Big.
Big. Oh, halika, picture tayo. Hawakan mo yung fish mo. Take a picture.
Like I'll actually.
Yeah, hold this one.
I'll actually hold it.
Yeah, hold it in here.
No, hold the thing.
Hold mo, magpipicture tayo.
Go close to daddy.
No, I'll hold the other one because that's mine.
Okay. Hawakan mo yan, hawakan mo. Hindi.
Iman.
Iyo to.
Hi guys, I have this fish. And I got another one.
Okay, hold that one. I'll take out your fish.
I have this one.
Wow.
This is both fish.
Yeah. fish.
I caught.
Nagadunga lang mo sito. Natagisa kami ni Iman. Ha?
So I got 2 fish, and one was staying on land too far, and one was about to
Gumagalaw
die.
yung rod natin ni Iman, no? Our fishing rod is
So
moving.
we gave him some water.
Yeah?
Yeah, from the
O yan, yung nakuha naming isda, oh. Nilagyan namin ng tubig. Ituno mo yung tanda ba? Yung fishing rod namin ni Iman. Iman, my fishing rod is moving. Hold on, no. Mine first.
Wait, both fishing rods are moving?
Mine only. Maybe got one. May nakuha ko.
Just go!
Got one, Iman. Wait, is yours, okay?
Go!
See? Look at that. Oh,
The first fish!
you got 4 fish. Wow.
Don't get it.
Look at that.
Give it to me.
A fish. Got 1 fish again.
I got 2 fish.
Yeah.
Not any more
Mm.
fish. 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 Fishing. Guys, so Daddy found the fish out of nowhere. Not Dad, not the wolf, not this. You see this rock? I was trained to fish.
Okay, you pull. Okay, roll the rod.
This,
Okay, yeah, that one. Slowly, slowly. You got it, yeah? It's moving? The fish?
whoever's doing the fish thing
Yeah?
is the one that caught the fish.
Okay.
So I get this fish.
Okay.
Now I have 3.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you pull.
I'm gonna...
Nalaingan, fishingan. Dakati ka doon ang fishingan ni fishermanan. Wow. It's heavy. Huh? Got one?
Wait.
Yeah. There is?
Wait. It's gone. It's gone.
Yeah? Kaya na? O yan, parang may nakuha si Sir, ha? Nagbaybayok-yok jirad na eh.
Maybe we got stuck. I don't know.
Got yours, Iman.
Yeah.
Roll it, yeah. You got fish. Maybe you stuck together?
Yeah.
Oh no. Roll it, Iman. Roll. Okay. Oh. It's heavy?
Letting me do anything.
Huh?
It's not letting me do anything.
Bilis! Dukyang naman.
What is that?
A fish.
No, that one dear.
What
Iman.
is this?
Look at that. That dukyang. Oh. Oh, picture ko ulit.
Ayaw niya
Wow,
na.
takelan ni Joe. Oh. Oh. Alright. This is a monster fish. Oh, oh, hold on. Wow. Look at that. It's a big one. Wow. Oh, halika na. Picture mo
God.
yung nakuha mo. Oh. Takelan. Okay. It's a big one.
It's a monster fish.
Wow.
No video.
Oh. I got a big fish.
It's a big one.
It's a big one.
Let's,
Ma-
Daddy, I'm gonna say something. What can we do with fish?
Fish. O di na.
You can eat fish.
Ha?
You can eat the fish.
Okay. O yan, hilahin na namin yung fish namin ni Iman. Binibiro ko siya eh. Sabi namin, iiwan na namin dito.
Daddy said we're gonna leave it.
Nagtagsunan. Nay, hati tinalam eh.
Ice cream.
Yan. Hati tinalam di lamos.
You
Picture, halika, magpipicture tayo man.